Doesn't that look great? Oh, it's still jiggling. Okay, that could have been super bad. Where is what number are we at? 9. Where's number 9? Oh gosh, I don't see it. I do see it. You're not covering it.
Deception.
Ah, very deceptive. Okay, all the, yeah, to the right. Anyway.
Well, anyway, I think this is white chocolate, so I guess that's me.
That's for you.
You gonna try to take a hot girl walkie?
For sure.
What time are we?
Oh, okay, you're not as heavy as other times because you're missing the 2 pounds of potatoes that I will add later. Time to sort this. Much better. Look, doesn't that look great? So easy to see everything. I'll do a Black Friday haul whenever everything gets here. With the strike, most of the stuff either isn't here yet or is slowly trickling in multiple packages. What just came in though that I just might as well show is I got a pair of gloves from Athleta because they were much cheaper. They're fleece. They fit me perfectly. They're a little tight, but again, they'll probably stretch out a bit, but they're warm gloves and they work for when you're using your phone because the fingertips, I think for most gloves at this point, probably have that, which is a really lovely design. I woke up not feeling the best today, so I actually don't have a ton of footage probably to contribute other than cooking and just kind of hanging out. The stew is looking pretty good. We have about 20 minutes left on the timer. And, oh, you can't see it. That makes sense. But I'm gonna put the potatoes and the carrots in after I take some stuff down to our storage unit. I think I'm gonna cook your banana bread now just because I feel like cooking stuff. Do you want me to use the frozen bananas or the fresh ones? Whichever? Okay. I can't find the recipe I used to use, but I'm gonna just try to use one I just found. I don't know why, I saved them all to my notepad, but then I end up not being able to find them again. It's really annoying. Anyway, let's try it. requires the same temperature to bake as the stew that still has a little over 45 minutes. So I can pop this in next to it. I'm watching Is It Kate, still in recovery mode, so I'm basically just eating rice and a little bit of broccoli. This is making me feel nice and festive. Oh, I really want cookies though. I'm gonna bake cookies in the next few days, but I did the banana bread first because that was mostly the priority. But yes, I'm gonna do cookies and the dog is fake. Okay, we don't have a ton of time left. Okay, that could have been super bad. That was almost this. Everything is fine. Nothing broke, I don't think. Yep, it disconnected. That's totally fair. I tried to yank it out of the television. Okay, so it's a crazy interesting mix of smells happening here because banana bread and stew are in the oven. Oh, it's still jiggling. It's not done. Stew's been in for way longer than it's needed to be. With my stomach flipping on its head last night, I don't know if I can do stew today, but worth a shot. It smells really good. It's trying, but still definitely liquid in the middle. I'll check on it in another 15. Oh, it's still so not done. So we're not gonna do that.
I don't really know. 2, 5, and 7.
7. It might be 6. I think it's 6. So basically if they get 1, they get 2 grand, they get 2, they get 5 grand, they get 3, they get 10 grand.
Okay, Jujar, if you are right, you'll win $2,000.
Okay, we said it was 10.
Well, I said 2, 5, and 7.
I hate you.
I agreed with that. I think 6. I think it's 2, 5, and 6. Remember him? He's the guy from Surrey.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh! That's impressive.
And we've still got one more cut to make. Your final choice was number 6. This was giving you a cake energy.
Yeah, like the color.
I think it's 6.
This
Yeah,
narwhal is
6,
cake.
but I
You
don't
just
know.
won $5,000. Let's find out. Miko?
Is it cake?
Yeah, I like that.
Looks a little crispy, but I think it's okay. All right, yeah, let me know how it is. I feel like if you cut a slice of it, it's just gonna...
I was going to let it sit for another couple minutes.
Oh yeah, you should let it sit for a little while. Okay.